Sam. I'm your chef for today. So today I'm going to take you through the process of how to make beans and process. And now we are going to introduce. In your spark water, you're gonna add some olive oil like that. And let's so while that we are waiting for that to boil, let's go ahead and with our habanero, other tomatoes and green pepper. So we are going to put this in our entity. We'll go ahead and blend it. So for this rest, and so this is what, like, yeah, it's blend. Like it when it's like this. Spaghetti, onions, and habanero. This is grilled chicken. Yeah, you see how cute it looks? Way I made it in a very crunchy way, as you can see. You will see the process of how. And this is my crayfish. I used shrimps and fish to make this crayfish because crayfish so many sounds, so I had to improvise anyway. This is my 3 cubes of mixed curry powder, thyme. This is my mackerel fish. So in a dry pot, we are for about a minute and two, and then and now we are going to introduce our onions to the pot, and we'll let it fry. So now that our onions, chopped bell peppers and onions, and we have tomato too to it. So we'll cover this. Go ahead and see what our sauce looks like. Ah, this is cute. So right now, what we are gonna do, we are gonna add our Maggi, salt, and our, and then we'll add some of our chicken stock, as you can see, to it. We'll just stay together. Then I'm gonna introduce our crayfish. So I'm gonna leave this right at the end. I'm going to add this in. Introduce our smoked chicken to the sauce and our grilled soya meat, beef, anyone. Later. Cover it and let it cook for a while. And then we'll show. Where's the ice? Our baby beans into the shoulder. Yeah. Yeah, it looks so fantastic. I did not know that, right? Now this spaghetti more than my beans. So I'll let this cook as you can see. And then we'll cover it and let it just steam. Our spaghetti beans porridge right now. So we are going to add to it, as you can see. And then I'm gonna add a little. Now we are gonna go in with some of our leaves just to make it cute. Yeah, you can see. Just stay there. Ooh, ooh. Bring it down a little bit so that you can have the view. Yeah. Love. It's ready for consumption, guys.